It's a beautiful day over here. And guess what I'm doing? I'm trying. It's my first damn try.
Ice, ice, baby. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs, eat some breakfast, milk and eggs, brush my teeth up, wash my face, throw my clothes on, start my day.
The past few days here in the Netherlands has been very cold, and because of that some canals froze, and my Dutch friend Dominic invited me to come ice skating. I mean, ice skating. I'm Portuguese. Portugal! I'm not used to this. This is my first time. I never... And there are my numbers, so...
Have you tried them?
No.
Come on!
No, when?
Yeah, at least put them like on your feet.
Ah, yeah.
Yum, yum, yum. Let's go. See the sun shining from the windows.
Some ice skaters over there. How do they know the ice is good?
The person in front of you.
We know now. Yeah, they didn't.
Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Drink some water.
I am the only one with professional. It says Japan, so it must be good. Professional ones.
Get out of bed and I stretch. Bed in my hair is a mess. Look through my clothes for a fit.
My ballerina.
Anything I do is drip. Feel like a kid when I'm tick-tock and I still keep it real.
She's better than me.
My 2-year-old, huh?
She's good.
Yeah.
Oh.
Is it the first time?
Yes. Oh my god.
Well, you have a wrong today.
I have, yes. This is the ballerina one.
Good kid when I'm tick-tock and I still keep it real as it is. I show my age, I don't switch often. I'm just as a dad as it gets.
It seems so easy for these Dutch guys to do this.
It is, and I can't wait for the weekend. Keep jammies on like I'm a kid. Wake up, get up, stretch my legs, eat some breakfast, milk and eggs.
It's killing me on my feet. I don't feel this part.
Throw my clothes on, start my day.
Oh my god, but they are so tight. I use them for what, 20 minutes maximum? I believe I can't do some ice skating today. Well, I'll keep myself busy then.
Wash my face, throw my clothes on, start my day. Wake up, I can smell the smoke from the bacon. Let's go, see the sun shining from the windows. Okay.
This is a canal. This is a boat. How cool is this, huh?
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it go. I see you watching me from a distance. I see you can't decide what to feel, but if you dig a little deeper, boy.
A guy just entered with his motorcycle into the ice. Why not? This guy is in need for some adrenaline for sure.
Let's get this out of the way. I can't wait another day to tell you you shouldn't wait. Don't be so afraid.
Oh, so that's how they do it with a chair. I also want a chair. Maybe I need a bench.
Yeah, I'm a bit too much, but I'm fun and games. When I'm acting tough, I just wanna play. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm on yours.
Bridge, snow, ice. What is this?
Baby, come and get it, come and get it.
They told me there's hot chocolate somewhere. I'm gonna search for it.
Come and get it. If you are looking for one hell of a ride, just come and get it. Baby, I'm on yours. Jump on my rope.
That's a good way to enjoy the ice. I should have that thing, otherwise I'm just a loser walking here.
Roller coaster and hold tight. It won't be easy.
Alright,
it'll be fun. Sometimes it goes
Hot chocolate, blue wine. Here.
the whole way up and down. I think you're ready now to leave.
Hello. You controlling the hot chocolate? To pay with the tiki. Okay.
Yeah, if you want 2 glasses.
Ah, this is glue wine. I thought it was hot chocolate.
Yeah, this blue wine.
Hot chocolate is there. Oh, that's cool. Very cool house. Put my mask.
Get in the fast.
Hello. Hot chocolate, alsjeblieft.
Ik heb een assistent who's doing cream.
Ah, okay.
There other way.
Je weet toch maar goed moet of niet?
Wow, look at that.
What you gotta do is keep your head.
And I have a hot chocolate. Cheers. With so much whipped cream, I didn't feel the chocolate, and I did this mess. Ah. No.
They see me rolling, they hating.
I'm sad, I forgot the stick, so there's a lot of... Wow. This white thing I can't reach. Shame. It's 4x4. In reverse. That was cool. Dutch people like so much to ice skate. A man was fined after he broke the layer of ice on the Prijzengracht in Amsterdam with his boat on Thursday morning. A sailing ban is in place in the area around Noordermark to promote ice formation, in the hope that locals will soon be able to skate on the canals. There's some serious hard life going on there. Lucky kid. We have the signs for the boats. Well, no boats today. Looking for my friends. Where are they? Yeah, where are you guys? Yeah, I already have a hot chocolate even. What is this? Seems a upside down gigantic drill. Must be a shed to keep the sheep. Yeah, for sure. If we see in the Google Maps, this is what we get. Water all over, and now we have ice. Of course, with this weather, the best thing is to go with your cabrio, right? How you doing, guys?
Shall we sit down for some lunch quickly there?
Pancake. Ooh.
Stroopkaas, hè? Stroopkaas and bacon.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's like the traditional Dutch combination.
Ah, approved.
Yum, yum, yum. Let's go. See the sun shining from the windows. Okay, I know that today'll be a good day. Okay.
Time to go. Thank you, mate.
Ciao, ciao!
See you soon.
See you later!
Keep safe. And now is scooter time. I need to go home driving my scooter, and the roads are like icy. It's not the best thing.
Let's go.
Shit, it's just ice all over. I'm stuck in the ice. hard to drive in the ice. Very dangerous. Your cat is a bit confused. What's going on? Second day. I'm gonna give a second try on this ice skates with Alicia. It's gonna be fun. Your car is full of salt. Oh, you need to wash it after. It's all frozen, this damn lake. Whoa, there's a lot of people here, huh? You were very afraid.
I am.
Such a feeling walking on a lake. She's so scared. Come on, you are Dutch, you are the professional one.
Scary.
Whoa. This is insane. Don't go there. There you see a lot of... Go here. Oh, it's really bubbly here. Ooh, bubble. Hey, niet goed. Hey. Practicing my Dutch. She's going far. Wait for me. Yeah, this is fun. Don't wait. Look like a ballerina.
You look like Bambi on the ice. Maybe they're patrolling.
Emergency helicopter. Yeah, maybe they are patrolling, huh? Maybe someone fell, huh?
It seems like someone fell in the water.
It really doesn't seem good news. Firefighters, the emergency helicopter flying nearby. I hope nobody fell in the ice, in the water.
And that guy who was just skating behind me, he said, oh, there's
Yeah, I
a
heard.
hole nearby. And I was like, what? Where? What? And then he saw me like very shaking. He said,
Police. Firefighters. This is getting so agitated with sirens, with police. There's an ambulance in the back. The helicopter is around and around. Maybe patrolling. Whoa, very weird thing. I don't know, I have no idea what happened, but it seemed real serious. Alicia? 1 week ago, I was ice skating here. This big lake was frozen. Well, not today. Today is very good. Today is very good, sunny. I'm in a t-shirt. Great weather for Netherlands.